how to add your own custom song, music, or audio on Reels Instagram. So if you want to add your own custom songs or music or audio on your Reels on your Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, now if you want to add your own custom song or your music, then you need to go with the plus at first, which is on the bottom middle, and go with the Reel section. And select the video that you would like to add to your Reel. And now if you want to add your own custom song, music, or audio, then you can go with the music section, which is on the bottom left. And from here, you'll be able to go with For You music or trending music or saved or original audio music. Or you also have an option of microphone right here. You can tap on the microphone and then you can start a voiceover. If you want to add your own audio to your video, then you can just simply go with your voiceover, tap on it, and it will start the voiceover, and you'll be able to add your own sound or audio to your Instagram reel. Once you've recorded, you can go with done, which is on the bottom right, and it will be added. So in this way, you'll be able to add your own custom song, music, or audio on your reels on your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.